It's definitely good to be back here at NAB, bringing back all those good memories. Fun to finally see everybody face to face again, and you know, the booth has been a lot of fun. It's been a couple of years since my last presentation, and so to get back up on the stage in front of the lights and just kind of put it out there, it feels right.
I think my favorite feature this year at NAB with Adobe Premiere Pro is autocolor, just because I'm a content creator. I'm always trying to push out content as fast as possible, so I can use that, get my colors to where I want them, and then get it out onto social media.
Here I am working on my fancy new M1 machine, running Adobe After Effects natively. I'm just gonna render this fun comp out. We dancing, we dancing. Oh my God, boom, lightning, so fast.
This is the new Apple TV app for Frame.io. You can watch all of your dailies in HDR, 4K on your Apple TV.
Centralization is what the Camera to Cloud mission's about, and that's what's going to change the cloud workflow forever.
Hanging out this year and getting to see all the Adobe employees again and doing presentations was great, and I will see you next year.